Hello guys, it's Neil Mukherjee here. Today we are going to paint Oil Pastel Ganesha. Here are the colors used. And while picking the drawing of Ganesha, pick simple and easy drawing with fine lines instead of picking a complicated one, because we are going to use oil pastel colors and it is very difficult to use oil pastel colors in the narrow areas. That's why we have chosen a simple drawing. Anyone can make it. Initially we are using forest green color for the skin of Ganesha. And combining it with yellow. Guys, generally we use tissue paper for blending, but this time we have used earbud to blend the colors, as the areas are very narrow and tissue paper can mix the colors unwantedly. Guys, just keep on blending after using the colors for 2-3 times. You can follow us on Instagram for different content than YouTube. We are using brown color for the jewelry of Ganesha. Guys, initially you'll have to paint the skin of Ganesha and we'll do the shading part afterwards. While making this type of paintings where we use different colors, always use different earbuds to blend different colors. Otherwise, the colors will intermix and it will ruin the effect of the painting. And while blending the corners, be careful. You don't have to be fast while making oil pastel drawings. You can easily slowly blend the colors and create the effect. Now we are using dark orange with yellow for Ganesha's dhoti. And guys, remove the extra color or extra wax with the painting brush. Now we are filling the empty part with lemon yellow color, mixing it with the violet purple, skin color, our all-time favorite black color. And while blending the border areas, we are using tissue paper like always. While blending the border areas, just remember one thing: don't intermix it with the major painting, like in this painting the Ganesha part. Don't intermix the colors. That's why blend the corners with the earbud only, like this. And use tissue paper to place your hand, otherwise the colors will mix. Actually guys, we invest a lot of efforts while making a painting, so we'll have to keep in mind what can ruin our painting. Now we are adding up some light with the help of white color. And we are using black color now to make the shaded areas. And you will see after adding black color, your painting will look more live. Just blend the colors properly. Now we are writing Shri with the earbud. Okay, so painting is done. Now the tape removing part. Here is the final output guys. Like and share the video with your friends and family. And let's meet in our second video. Till then, bye bye.